It's Holy Week. Hello there, how you doing? Yeah, yeah. Anyway, it's Holy Week, Portugalera. And the Filipino people all say the same thing, which is, let's eat. Let's eat, bangs, let's eat. And that's Portugalera. Yeah, it is. If I can stand up. Let's eat. And about 10 people arrived. Family members from Manila. They all say the same thing. Let's eat. Yeah. You still go to the supermarket and buy food. But let's eat, yeah. I bought a bag of rice anyway the other day. Not much else, some vegetables. I bought 50 eggs and some drumsticks and some hot dogs, French fries. Yeah, because the most popular expression in the Philippines when people are at the home is let's eat. Yeah, that's right.
Natin. Maraming dala ka dala. Mag-overnight na sila natin. Sama ka.
Dito ang kay Biboy ha. Lagay ka mo sa bag. Papa na.
Papa nila.
Oo, siya sabi na. Hindi mo na inayos buko eh.
Sa day off ko, bago ako malis, pa-Iloilo.
Painumin kita.
Iloilo.
Painumin kaya.
Hindi na may malo pa ka.
May? May sa labas ka gabi. Ang dami na pinadala ko sa baba. Ang dami pa sa
Sila dito ba walang ano nun? Kami kumain na po kami.
Sila? Ang dami ko.
Sabi mo yung mga kaya. Oh, ayan na, ayan na. Lang to.
Ay, nakapag-date pa eh.
Itang ina, basag.
Marjorie, baka mabubuhay. Oh, mabububalis. May kayo na balis.
Paamo.
Ay, yung isa na lang din. Yung isa na yun. Magchinelas.
Hindi yan. Ang gamitin mo lang na baso. Wala namang plastic lang.
Mag-hi naman kayo sa kanya.
Later, I will send you.
Chinelas ka.
Hi, vlog!
Bibigyan mo ng chinelas to siya.
Marjorie, iwan mo na yun ako. Sige na. Sino pa? Black. Hi guys. Mama eh.
Hindi po, pwede na po nawal.
Ikaw yung interview niya. He's
So,
interviewing you, not me.
so Family Guy.
Yun, si Lulo. Lulo.
Family Guy.
Lulo.
Balong,
Lulo. Ay, si Lula, si Lula.
tell me about White Beach.
Lula. Lula.
It's a secret beach.
Oh, Lula.
It's very crowded place, yeah. Especially Holy Week, right? Since yesterday, a lot of people coming.
Ha?
White Beach. That's White Beach every
Si
Holy Week.
Lulu. Lulu.
Crowded, There's an
Tito, Tito.
events like
Tito.
a concert of a band or yeah.
Alright.
Naglag na. Ubo yung leg niyo. Ubo ako sa'yo. Kasuksan. Ay, oo.
Dee da dum dum da da dum. Dee da 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 dee dum. She'll be coming round the mountain when she comes. They're all off to White Beach to have some fun.
Lagay mo rin doon sa...
They came from Manila, Portugal is such a thriller. They're going off to White Beach one by one. They're going to White Beach very soon. They'll probably go there and dance under the moon. Eat the white rice, it's so very nice. Having fun in the sun on the run. They're off to White Beach within reach. The basketball team scream, scream, scream. We're gonna have some fun. Running, sitting, walking in the sun. We're going to White Beach, yes we are. Off to White Beach, it's not far. The driver's coming soon, he's the one.
KJ.
He's gonna drive them there. Everything's so fair. We're going to White Beach to have some fun. And the fool on the hill, see the world going by.